In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Fonts into Adobe Illustrator.
So with Google Fonts, I'm going to click the Get Font button, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can find all the fonts that you've asked to download, and here's Oswald. I'm just going to click Download. All right, here's Oswald. I'm going to double click to open up the zip file. If I click into it, you can see there's several files. This is the font file, the TTF, and to install it on my Mac, I just right click, say Open with Font Book. At this point, you would click the Install button and it would install on your machine. I actually have it installed already, so it won't let me install it twice. So now if I go to my Illustrator file, let's go check if Oswald is in our fonts. Go up to Character panel. If you don't see Character panel, you can go to Window, type Character. Okay, and there's Oswald.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.